It's good to be back home again at Busch Gardens. Gonna start this one off with a little Falcon's Fury POV. Wow, such a great view. Thought we'd start this one off with a little drop. Oh my gosh! I am loose. There is nothing that will save me if this thing fails. Oh my god! Oh yeah! Welcome to the channel, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I am Tampa J, and thank you for joining me here at my hometown theme park, Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. Right now going on here is their annual Mardi Gras event. I've been invited out by the Busch Gardens media team to try it out and give you guys a little preview. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna be trying some good food and enjoying the festivities with you guys, but also I'm gonna roam around the park a little bit and ride some rides. That being said, there's much ahead. Let's get going. Let's have a party. Pop-up parades throughout the day with bead toss in the bead garden. There's something happening here. It's the Mardi Gras parade. Hey! Hi. Oh, I better get back. I'm gonna get ran over. Whoa, look at this guy. That's awesome. They just keep coming. Wow, look at the guy on the bike. Hi! Happy Mardi Gras! Wow, I'm glad I caught him. This is awesome. Don't they look amazing? Check out these costumes. Whoa!
How you doing today?
Good, how you doing?
Good, thank you. Happy Mardi Gras!
Happy Mardi Gras!
Happy Mardi Gras!
Happy Mardi Gras! Look at that ride! It just keeps going. Strike up the band. We're gonna have some music. U-Banga Bunga Bumper Cars has changed its name. Now just bumper cars.
Ready, set, go!
And they've opened back up. These were closed off for almost a year because of the situation, but they're back open with a new name. I kind of miss U-Banga Bunga though. I like that name. And right here is where the U-Banga Bunga Bumper Car sign used to hang. It was an awesome sign, very identifiable. The brackets, the remains are still here though. Wow. Oh, hello flamingos. How you doing today? Flamingos. Flamingos. Oh, feeding time, feeding time. They're flocking from all different directions, getting their grub and moving on in and out.
Well, isn't that quacktastic? All these duckies, all just bathing over here, waiting for their food.
It's good to see you. I haven't seen you in a while. You normally just kind of roam around where you please here at Busch Gardens. That's why I always love seeing you. See ya, peacock, peafowl. Whoa, check out the beads on that. These giant beads are wrapped around the main gates of Mardi Gras. I like how the food booths are decorated. Look at this, crawfish etouffee. Oh man, I haven't had this in a long time. Actually, the last time I had it, I was in Louisiana. Etouffee, look at that. Little biscuit there. I think I'm just gonna take a scoop though. Just kind of try it. Mmm. Oh man, that's good. Crawfish. Oh, and the onions, the spice, the Cajun spice, and of course, the biscuit. That's some good stuff right there. And now it's time for the king of classic coasters here at Busch Gardens. It's time for KUMBA. That's how you conquer KUMBA right there. 5 items, $34.99, 10 items, $49.99, and a pass member exclusive 12 item sampler, $49.99. Now it's time for a hurricane, a little punch, some hurricane punch. That was good. 8 ounces of hurricane. Dr. D and the powers that be. Well, hey my friends, just chilling over here, right? Having a good time lounging out. It's a beautiful weekend, isn't it? A little overcast, but holy cow, look at all the roos. There's one right there. And you can pet and feed them. Check it out. He's about to get fed. Well, look at that. It's mama and baby. Look at the baby roo over there. Oh, he heard us. Sorry, my friend, I don't have food. But those people do. Keep eating. Pay me no attention. Just keep eating. Oh, got a little scratch there. For my next treat, I have to come over to the Garden Cafe, the former Busch Gardens Hospitality House. This is where back in the day you'd come and get the free beer. They have regular jambalaya and impossible jambalaya, made with impossible meat. I guess I'll try that. Jambalaya. It looks impossible. Oh my gosh. You know what? I don't think I've ever had an impossible dish yet made with impossible meat. I don't think I've ever had anything made with impossible meat. Up until now, it's been impossible. Oh wow, that is really good. Wow, that's my favorite dish of the day. Jambalaya, impossible jambalaya. Tastes like meat to me. But that's impossible. It's so good to see Sheikra back open and operating once again. Look at this. One of my favorite roller coasters here at Busch Gardens. There will be no splashing in the splash zone today. Normally I would get soaking wet right here. See the water drains? Normally this is the splash zone. I hope we get to see that again someday. Here these folks go. About to feel the force of Sheikra. Face down on that first drop there. Oh, wow. Oh, no screens. Booth number 10, Big Easy Tap. Select draft beers, add a souvenir Pilsner for $2. And souvenir refills, $9.99. Here's all the beers. Purple Haze, Strawberry Lager, Big Easy IPA, and Southern Pecan Nut Bro. All from Louisiana, except for that one. That one's from Missouri. I think I'm gonna go with the Strawberry Lager. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh yeah. Oh man. The strawberry tastes like strawberry. That's a good beer. It's very smooth. I like that. I really like that. I like strawberries. And beer. And remember kids, whatever you do, do not feed the tigers. And look, there's a tiger over here. Check him out. He's just chilling over there. Looking the other way. Hey buddy, over here. Oh, he heard of me. Hey, what you doing? Almost lunchtime, huh? Okay, I'll let you be. It's cool that we got to see you. So beautiful. Such a beautiful habitat too, look at that. And this is just a portion of it. Bye buddy, see ya. Well look, the Stanley Falls log flume ride is open. I haven't seen this operating in quite some time. And I can't leave today without some sweet beignets. Check it out. Thank you. That's a lot of beignets for one little punch. Check it out. Yummy. I'm gonna eat it right here in front of these parrots. See the parrots over there? Oh yeah. I'm on my second to last beignet. Oh man, I love beignets. They're so good. So ooey and gooey inside. Powdery sugar. I need to get back to New Orleans. I'm coming for you, Nola Deej. Shout out to my friend Nola. I'm so stuffed. I had a lot of good food today, but I can do it. Just one more to go. I'm not going to waste food. I don't like to do that. Naturally, Iron Glossy is celebrating Mardi Gras. It's got the colors, the purple and the green, and the yellow. Check that out. I know I've been saying this for 2 years now, but Iron Glossy, it's coming soon. So many delays and misfortunes for this ride. But it's coming back. I can't wait to ride this coaster. Now this is what I call a coffee. Look at this cold brew. Chameleon. Looks like chameleon coffee. And there's some whipped cream and some chocolate shavings there and an edible chocolate straw. Whoops, gotta take this off. Oh yeah, that's smooth. Don't get cream and sugar because there's enough cream and sugar in there. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed our time here today, checking out Mardi Gras, riding some rides, and just being amongst one of the best theme parks in all of Florida, and especially Tampa. Actually, it's pretty much the only theme park in Tampa. But that being said, thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed this one, give it a thumbs up right down there below the video, and I'll see you next time. Even though this one's over, there's still much ahead. Cheers, my friends. Happy Mardi Gras. Be safe out there and stay awesome. You are awesome. Thanks for visiting Busch Gardens, and thanks for watching this video. See y'all next time. Even though this one's over, there's still much ahead.